Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I am Miss D, and if you are brand new, please hit that subscribe button, comment, like, share, and if you really enjoy what you see today, go ahead and tap that bell. That will let you know the next time I upload new content to my channel. And for all of my returning subscribers, I am so happy to see you here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today, as it shows in my title, I am going to be talking about what a transition shade is. Now, a transition shade in eyeshadow is just simply that eyeshadow color that sits underneath absolutely everything, all your other colors, and provides a transition from whatever you're doing down on your lid up to the brow bone so that everything looks blended, everything looks cohesive. I like to think of it as a landing color to bring everything together. I'm just quickly going to show you how to apply it. And I am going to be using the Blowin Smoke by ColourPop, and this is what the palette looks like. It's just a little 9-pan palette. I love it, and I will be using the color Stone Face right here as my transition shade. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so it is super simple. It is usually a lighter color than all the rest of all the shades that you are wearing. And even if you are just doing a one color look on your eyes, that is fine. You would just take that and kind of deepen it up a little bit more so that everything just blends. Blend, blend, blend. That is the most important thing when you're doing your eyeshadow, so that nothing looks harsh, unless you are looking for like that cut crease look where you do want that harshness. So it just all depends on what you're doing. Of course, there are no rules in makeup. I'm just trying to help you out, make your makeup look a little bit more not natural, not because this is not natural right here. But I just want you to have that that more polished look. All right, so thank you so much for joining me today. I love every single one of you. Remember, ladies, and say it with me, I am enough. I will see you in my next upload.